Hello all, DWING 97 here, and there's a fleet of F-16s that are spawned in here. The reason being, I'm going to try to land. And if I land successfully, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tries. There's a couple things that I'll be changing between each flight, assuming that things don't go the way they're supposed to. The first thing, all of the wheels are moss stone, not wool, because I don't think wool and stone like to mix when it comes to the wonderful airstrip of just stone. So we're going to try this, shall we? Let's get in aircraft number 1. Oh, let's see what can possibly go wrong. It's very important that I get up on the wonderful AA gun though I can see what I'm doing. I must do one up bubble. Come on now. I need to see takeoff. There we go, lift off. Neutral elevator. Let's rudder right. And God, do I hope this works. Gear 2, 30%. Man, oh man, I hope this works. Because if it doesn't, I'm toast. Dun 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 dun. Let's try 40%. Slowly getting there. Let's try 50%, 3. I just want to get towards the runway here. Up. Gear 2. 40%. I'm running out of runway. I really need to land. Let's try 10%. Ooh, come on. Reset those frames. Come on, I want it to say land or touchdown. Oh, look at that. That's right. I just landed a plane on my first try. Oh, yeah, buddy. So, it looks like you come down to the wonderful... Did it stop? I think it's taxiing. So there's a couple things you need to know. 1, moss stone. Oh, it's still coming to a complete stop because it's stopping engines. So, Gear 1 is this wonderful little thing that you can only do while you're on the ground after it says touchdown. Touchdown basically means that you haven't screwed up. If we scroll up the chat here, throttle down to 10%. That's when you're a couple blocks away from the ground. Gear 2 is how many times the tick's going to happen, basically. So 40% Gear 2 to come in is pretty nice. And this was all trying to figure out how to take off. So don't worry about that. But that's right, people. Try number 1. I did it. Let's go through it again. /ship. Remove. Vehicle removed. Not really what I wanted. Ship destroy. That's what I wanted. Let's go back up. Let's go get another F-16 and we will try to do it twice to prove that that wasn't just luck, which it might very well be. So we're going to get in this one. Same thing, which is very important. Make sure that's on. I'm going to hop on an AA gun just to see. In order to take off, Gear 3, speed 60, and do up. Once it says lift off, then you can start. Okay, now I can start coming down. And I want to rudder left just a little bit. Alright. So I'm currently in gear 3 and I believe it's 60. Yep, gear 360. And that's the approach. Keep watching the ground, refresh those frames. Boom, and no, don't turn left. There we go, centered. 30%, 10%, and gear 2, because it won't let me go down to gear 1. And it will slowly float down to the bottom. Come on, stop. I'm only running out of runway here. Come on, boys. Land the plane. Here we go, touchdown, and gear 1, stopping engines. And that is how you do it. Yeah, buddy. I think it's time to get a beautiful screenshot here. F3A, F1. Boom. Screenshot worthy. Darn it, it moved. Screenshot worthy. How about right there? Screenshot worthy. Alrighty guys, thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. I finally did it, and you can do it too. And I will see you all later.